I remember vividly, this one bottle of wine was like $3.90.
Oh my goodness, that's great too.
And because we brought because
all right, swipe up to
we
Chris,
like 4 bottles because
and then I can hit that right there and
like
playback.
we didn't even have to
Come on now.
Tom and I brought like
Oh, it is recording. Great.
Denise is gonna be like, crap, I gotta delete that. Crap.
Delete.
Like a $3 bottle of wine
There we
here
go.
is not the same.
And then we can go
So a
back
lot of
here.
times, my recommendation for people when they're shopping here for wine, shopping somewhere.
And they're gone.
Lady got upset because I gave her
I didn't have to do that. 11 o'clock.
That's really great. I'll tell you my very first roulette story. So I went overseas to Austria with my Glee club. And the casino was a fancy casino. You had to wear a shirt and tie to get into the casino. We had our Texans, so we wore our Texans, went into the casino. I knew nothing except to play roulette, not play roulette. So I was betting red and black on roulette. Minimum $5 euro, which is $5 at the time. So I was betting like $5 at a time. Meanwhile, other people at the table were betting 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 euros. Also, and they had so they would play at one table, put their money, they would walk over to their table and put money.
So they're telling everybody to give yourself 2 hours to get into the port because it's just.
This is his better half, Mary Ann.
How you doing? Good to meet you. My name is Ron.
Now, I'm going to be honest, I could not have done any better. She couldn't have done a damn bit.
I got one like that, and she's in that room right there. So.
But if you're not going to check it,
Good meeting y'all.
you're going to carry it.
Go find Sunday.
Where'd you get the shirt? Hard Daddy?
Yeah. I spent way too much money with them.
Marshall was talking about they got 22 shirts for like 100.
I had 12 shirts that I never got. They give me my refund back.
Wow. How many did you order?
Well, let's not talk about that.
You're set up for the next 5 cruises and you don't have to wear the same shirt twice.
Holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, 4th of July.
You got the turkey shirt, didn't you?
I got one out. Yeah. Actually, I got 2 now. Yeah, I got 2 now.
All you got to have is that.
I'll be in touch.
Yeah, I told Wayne he's good with it. I did ask Dwayne, I told Dwayne.
And then they'll make a
But we got your number.
right behind the post. Verify you are.
Yes, he spent 12 hours with me today. He don't want to be in the same room with me.
This is my wife, Darlene.
Hey.
Darlene.
This is Mary Ann and Mike. Mike is the one who's cousin.
And you're right.
We accept condolences.
She could have done so much better. I could have done
They make it so easy
now, when I go to
okay, where you're going to go in, it's going to take you less than 30 seconds. They're going to scan that barcode again that shows that you did the muster drill, and you have the rest of the week to enjoy yourself. The thing is, the ship cannot leave till everyone does the muster drill. So that's why I plead with everyone to do it as soon as you get on the ship. There are still people that insist they got to go get their guy's burger or they got to go get their drink before they don't. Get on the ship and right away ask them, because on your thing it will show you what zone your muster drill's at. Ask them where that zone is. They'll guide you. It's probably either going to be on deck 4 or 5, deck 3, 4, or 5. And it's either probably going to be either in the atrium area, in the casino, one of those areas. It could be in one.
D3.
What's that? D3, yeah. So
That's out
It's gonna, yours is P4, yep. So when you get on, ask where your zone is. They'll guide you there. Like I said, it's probably gonna either be on 3, 4, or 5. Most of the time it is. Either in one of the restaurants, in the casino. Could be. One time we did them and it was outside on the deck. But you go there, they scan that, and to show that you did it, then all they do is quick show you how to put on the life vest. That's pretty much it. And they'll tell you, okay, if you have to come to the muster drill, this is where you're going to come. And then, it's like I said, it only takes about 30 seconds, and you're done. You don't have to worry about it anymore. And then go get your drinks, go get your food, and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about anything. And then at 4:30, when they're saying these people still need to do it, then you can say losers.
Yeah, exactly.
4:30. Typically between 4 and 4:30. They may get delayed, and normally that's because people are not doing the muster drill or something like that. Or if people book flights through the cruise line that are coming in tomorrow, and if the flights are delayed somewhere, they'll wait for them if they book them through the cruise line. But that's, most of the time the cruise line does pretty good at making sure that you get on the right flights so you're not delayed. But you never can tell what happens at an airport or whatever if they get delayed. So,
We were an hour delayed today.
yeah.
And only because I think my dad asked me, where do we go through customs at the port?
You do. Yep. That's the very first thing you do is the very first thing you're going to do is show that, and they check you in, and then you're going to go through the metal detectors, and your bags are going to, just like at the airport, except if you're carrying everything on, you're going to put it off of there.
on the right boat?
What's that?
It says Carnival Horizon on the side of the boat.
Well, the shuttle is going to drop you off right by the boat.
Okay,
by
that's
the
all I
ship.
care about. As long as I'm getting on the right boat.
Yeah, just make sure when you get off the shuttle, you look and you see Carnival Horizon.
Horizon, yeah. Look
That's all you
for
gotta
Horizon.
know. There'll be signs also, so you should be good to go. If you're there, if Cindy or I are still out, not on the ship yet,
We'll find
get a hold of us and we can try and help you through it. But there will be a lot of port and carnival personnel out there to guide you. There'll be signage everywhere of where to go. There'll be roped off areas guiding you where to go.
No, I'm Chris.
So, you haven't met Cindy. She's in the other room.
I was going to say, I know she's in there.
Anyways, it'll be simple. There'll be many people there, and there's a lot of seasoned cruisers that'll be there. So you'll be able to ask anyone if you're not sure where you need to be. But anyone that has a name tag on there that says Carnival on it, just ask them, hey, where do I need to go?
She sometimes has a tendency to go running off with people. That's what she just did to me here.
So just stick to mom and dad, and you're good to go.
Yeah, or Carrie. That's
Or
fine,
Carrie,
too.
yeah. Just stick with them because it will be crazy down there. So you're going to want to make sure.
Well, just like in this kind of environment where she's meeting new people and trying to get, to know people, then she gets to know somebody and she thinks it's okay to go. So.
But it will be very crowded down there.
She
So
was like,
does she do okay with crowds?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's all right. She's like, he doesn't like crowds.
He's the one who doesn't like crowds.
But,
That's why we go to concerts, he stays home.
We do a lot of concerts.
Yeah.
A lot of concerts.
So it'll be crowded.
I'm not going with you. You're not going with him. You're going with me.
Now that you know you should go.
PM in the piano room. On Sunday. Yeah. That's the first main event, big event, whatever you want to call it. Because you're going to get at that event a schedule for everything that's happening the rest of the week. So make sure you don't miss that. Right, yeah, the group events. It will not have the carnival ship, but in the hub app, when you open it, you are going to be able to see all of Carnival's scheduled events for every day that they have going on, and there are a ton.
More than enough.
Because then you'll see
Big boy, don't
see what he did. Their name is going to pop up. But you can start little group chats. And so you guys, if you